Harley-Davidson key fob problems are common, especially in models with the Harley Smart Security System. The most frequent causes are a dead or weak battery. First, try replacing the CR2032 battery. A voltage below 2.5 volts can cause malfunction. If replacing the battery doesn't work, the fob may need to be repaired with the motorcycle. This often involves a specific ignition key cycling sequence, as described in the Harley-Davidson Owner's Manual or demonstrated in online tutorials. If issues persist after these steps, the problem may stem from the security module itself, requiring further troubleshooting. If basic troubleshooting fails, a security module reset may be necessary, typically performed by a Harley-Davidson dealer using diagnostic tools to clear faults in the HSSS. This might be triggered by voltage spikes or module component failure. Looking ahead, Harley-Davidson is moving towards digital integration with app-based fob alternatives for smartphone control and over-the-air updates. These systems are designed to improve battery longevity and offer remote diagnostics. Staying updated with the latest firmware and security patches is crucial to prevent vulnerabilities and maintain fob reliability. Always check with your local Harley-Davidson certified mechanic to keep up to date.